From CBS News Bay Area, this is the Evening Edition.
Well, we begin with another major storm arriving in the Bay Area on this first alert weather day. Good evening, I'm Ryan Yamamoto. It is bringing the potential for flooding, downed trees, and more with the ground already saturated from recent rains. Here's a live look outside right now across the bay. Right now, most of the rain is still to the north with some scattered showers possible. And if you're planning on driving to the Sierra this weekend and you haven't already left, you might want to reconsider. This is a look at the conditions along I-80 right now, where the roads are starting to get a little messy. And here's what it's looking like right now along Highway 50. Driving in the mountains is expected to be difficult and impossible process tomorrow. Let's check in with Paul. And I have to only imagine in a few hours, those roads, Interstate 80, Highway 50, they're probably going to get shut down.
Yeah, I think by probably sunrise tomorrow, I would think at the latest, travel in that direction discouraged, to say the least. Just don't do it. Wait until Sunday, let the road crews catch up. Let's talk about our side of this system, and we are seeing some more rain hitting the ground in the North Bay right now. This is First Alert Doppler showing those more intense downpours already happening for much of Sonoma County, including some moderate to heavy rain around Santa Rosa. It gets more intense as you go northward towards Windsor and Cloverdale and westward towards Guerneville and Bodega Bay. Farther to the south, within the North Bay, the rain isn't quite as intense over Marin County, and we're still waiting on the arrival of this next wave of moisture on the San Francisco side of the Golden Gate. We'll zoom back out and put everything in motion. This rain is going to gradually sag farther and farther south, and there's more lining up on shore that's going to be moving in as we head through the rest of this evening and into the overnight hours. And it's really overnight when the bulk of the system is going to impact the Bay Area. So let's take a look at Futurecast, and we're going to take you through 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we're going to be seeing these waves of heavy rainfall soaking, especially the North Bay, where there's a flood watch in effect. More on that in a second. But these waves of heavy rain are also going to be bringing some intense wind gusts. So this is going to be an event that persists into the first half of the day on Saturday. After that, it does look like we are going to taper off to just some lingering off and on showers. In terms of the advisories, there are a whole bunch of them. The map is really cluttered with all of these different advisories and watches and warnings. So let's get into it with more detail, kind of individually, with these advisories that are in effect for different parts of the Bay Area. We'll start with the flood watch that's in effect for the North Bay. That goes all the way through Sunday afternoon, but the bulk of the rain is going to fall over about the next 18 hours. Watch out for any flood-prone areas, standing water on the sides of roads, maybe flooded intersections. It's not going to be the magnitude of flooding threat that we had last month, but still something we have to monitor. High wind warning along the coast and in the higher elevations of the East Bay. All the brown shaded areas, which is the rest of the Bay Area, under a wind advisory. Gusts over 50 miles an hour could bring down some trees and result in sporadic power outages. Make sure all your devices are charged up before you go to bed tonight. And for good measure, there's also a high surf advisory along the coast, also through 7 o'clock on a Saturday. So we're tracking all of this. We'll have a more detailed look at Futurecast. We'll stop the map along the way and show you exactly when the heaviest rain is going to be moving through. That's coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, thanks, Paul. We're looking live out right now toward the North Bay, where the rain is already starting to come down, and with other recent storms already, the saturation ground. People right now, they're on high alert this weekend. Kara St. is live for us this evening in San Anselmo, where some businesses near a creek are already getting ready for this latest round of rain. Hey, Kara.
Hey, so it's been some rain on and off in the North Bay today, but that flood watch is still in effect. But these businesses, they are ready. So I want to draw your attention to this railing right here. So from far away, this door looks very, very normal. But if you zoom in, you can see these rails that are on the side of the door. And what these are floodgate rails. So if the flooding gets bad, somebody can put a slab of wood right here or some steel, and that'll keep the water from going in. And this business owner says she is prepared to do that if she has to. Just weeks after an atmospheric river dumped record rain on parts of Northern California, people in the Bay Area are preparing for the combination of a powerful storm and king tides that could raise the flood risk. Diane Katz is staying in a hotel near the Manzanita neighborhood in Marin that's prone to flooding. Her hotel already has sandbags stacked against the lower level of the building to ward off floodwaters from the tide.
They warn us to park at towards the street.
The National Weather Service issued a flood watch starting Friday afternoon for the North Bay, with 2 to 3 inches of rain expected by Saturday. But the threat will linger into Sunday because excessive runoff could flood low-lying rivers, creeks, and streams.
I'll show you where we're worrying about.
In San Anselmo, Katerina Duraki's hair salon is located along a creek.
We had 2 floods. Actually, the salon had 3 floods.
Duraki uses the creek behind her business to determine whether she could close up shop or not. Right now, the levels aren't troubling enough for her to move, but she has a plan in place just in case things get bad. And that's her floodgate.
So the water does not come this way.
But with this latest storm not expected to pose as big a threat as the back-to-back soakers last month, Daraki says she has faith it won't come to this.
The San Anselmo did an amazing job, so the creek does not overflow. So so far so good.
All right, so Katarina's salon shop is definitely still open, and she says that she is watching that creek closely, and she is ready to use that floodgate if she has to, but hopefully it will not come to that. Back to you.
All right, Kara St. here reporting live in San Anselmo, where people are getting ready for that rain.